everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to do a little bit different video today, as you can tell by the title. Just some inspiration and overnight success, and term that I like, stick-to-itedness. So this is I think you can see this, is this end frame? Okay, so here it is. So I always try to watch stuff that keeps me inspired too when I hit a little hiccup. So it was actually... it was a lady who's got some really good stuff going on for her, and the title of her talk that she had was 7-Year Overnight Success. So that kind of stuck with me because I'm approaching 5 years next couple months, so that was kind of inspirational to me. So as you can see here, we have 500, and so I'm about to hit 525,000 views. And as you can see, this is the entirety of it from March 19, 2017 through yesterday. And you can see a couple of these spikes. This is one of the first spikes I had back, or is this it, back in July? I can't quite remember, but as you can see, there's ups and downs, and this past year was when I was working on the course. So I learned that I couldn't really take that much time off. But now let's show the subscriber growth. So now here it is. Let me get out of the way. So let's go way back over to here to March 19th, 2017, 0. And I want you to think about this. With whatever you are doing, March 17th? You'd think that I would have that completely committed to memory. March 19th. So there we go. And right there's where we are right now. So could you do something for a year and basically have nothing? That's what I want you to ask yourself. And there's actually a saying that basically the first year you're doing anything in business, you are lucky if you break even. Lucky. So, and I know in today's world, we want everything, which it's counterintuitive, and I love that. So I get constant feedback of how everybody thinks and everybody feels. So to have it take longer, so we're constantly getting feedback, and we know what's going on, but we don't know why it's going so slow. So that's what you have to battle. I'm getting quick feedback. I know exactly what's going on, but it's not going the way I want to at the rate I expect. So just want to share with you what I have in my mind is basically, and maybe you see the same way or you can adopt this, but the way that I see this is if I were to have instant success, I could lose it instantly as well. So if this takes 8 years to grow, the way that I see it is then I could have 8 years on the downside, and it would just slowly shrink from there. So that's the way that I look at this. So I look at this as a 16 to 20 year process, that because YouTube isn't going anywhere. YouTube is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. If you look at the reports of how YouTube is growing and the amount of money that they are making. So this is not going anywhere. And I'm actually slowly starting to cross-pollinate with Facebook as well. And I'm just patient. You need to be patient. So there we go. Got some really cool ideas coming. Have really gotten some really awesome questions about the Ameritrade APIs. Some really good questions about why some scope issues are working, and some clearing up of some variable types of why one process happens. It's a great question, and that's what I love about this whole process. I think that I've covered everything, and there are still gaps that I do not have. I have 900 plus videos of very basic topics, and there are still holes in that process, and that's what I love about throwing all this out for you all to watch. And then you go, okay, well, what do you do with this? And I'm like, awesome. That is a great question. So I am just super excited. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you for sharing your thoughts and ideas. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.